Oh yes, PayPal. Do you remember PayPal? It actually started in 1998 as a digital wallet. It was one of the first digital wallets ever. It used to be used for eBay primarily for people that couldn't accept credit cards and wanted to auction things off on the internet. But now here comes a new revolution for PayPal. They're now offering cryptocurrency. What? PayPal? Well, there's some things you need to know in this particular launch of cryptocurrency within PayPal. So if you're ready to get this video started, smash that like button down below right now. If this is the first time you and I have met, my name is Bob. Got out of $92,000 in debt. Now I'm building a wealth journey up to $1 million. And I want to help people just like you do the same thing and live your ultimate sweet life because you're worth it. So consider subscribing today and becoming part of the Sweet Life family. So PayPal has announced that they are offering cryptocurrency, but they didn't realize how big this was going to get. So much so that they now have their own wait list that you have to get on. But I've broken through that barrier. I'm past the wait list. I can now do cryptocurrency on PayPal. So I want to take you behind the scenes and show you all about it. But I also want to let you know I'm actually not moving forward with investment in cryptocurrency, and I'll explain why throughout the course of this video. So let's get started with PayPal. Okay, I have had PayPal for many years, and I used it primarily for that eBay way back in the day. That was how I did things. And I also use PayPal to send money to friends and family. I just find it very easy. You can immediately send via the online app. I mean, come on, it's the original. It is the OG, guys. It's exciting. I'm going to explain today why I think this is interesting. The second thing is what you can actually do with cryptocurrency in PayPal, and it might surprise you. And then the third thing is why I am not recommending to actually use PayPal for cryptocurrency. So let's get started. Okay, so they have found themselves into a projection of what they thought was going to happen when they launched cryptocurrency. What they've quickly realized is that they're getting much more demand than they thought. And it's actually driving, at least I think it is, it's driving the cryptocurrency market upward. Check out Bitcoin. Here it is on Robinhood. And notice what just happens here. It's starting at like $13,000 for one Bitcoin, and it is sharply turning upward to its original highs. It's now at $15,000 at the recording of this video. That's kind of huge, and I don't know if it's due to the election shenanigans or if it's really because PayPal is getting into the business of crypto. It's very interesting that I'm seeing this upward trend. They've actually increased the credit limit that you can spend on PayPal per week for crypto. $15,000. Holy crap, guys. $15,000 per week is the buying limit to purchase on PayPal. So you can actually get yourself one Bitcoin per week via this method. Pretty crazy. Don't take out debt. Don't do stupid things with your money. Do smart things. Be smart. Live your sweet life. Okay, let's talk about what can you do in PayPal with cryptocurrency. And this is one of the things that is kind of turning me a little bit away from this. Per PayPal, here's what you can do with cryptocurrency. Number one, you can buy it. And they have Bitcoin, they have Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash available. The second thing you could do is, of course, hold on to the crypto that you've already purchased within PayPal. Number three, you can sell it for either hopefully a profit or if you sold it at the wrong time for a loss. And the fourth thing is view market and information and education around cryptocurrency. That's about it. So this is an important thing. If you're one of those people that like to use cryptocurrency solely for the purpose of purchasing online or sending cryptocurrency to your friends and family and exchanging it as you do with the United States dollar or the British pound or anything like that, well, you're going to find very quickly that you cannot do that via the PayPal app. It's very similar to Robinhood. Now, Robinhood offers cryptocurrency trading, but you got to think of it, it's more like an investment. You're investing in the cryptocurrency, and as it rises and falls with the market, you can either buy or sell more, just like you do in the stock market. Now, a word of warning, if you're new to crypto, crypto is always on 24/7. It's not like the stock market that closes down at the end of the day. This means that it's extremely volatile. It can go up and down in a blink of an eye. You could lose all your money or make a ton of money. So don't just chase the dream of riches. Be very smart with what you're doing when you get into cryptocurrency investment. Now, if you want cryptocurrency from the standpoint of being able to use it to purchase products or services or send it to friends and family, can't yet use PayPal for that. You would have to use something like Coinbase.com. And one of those type of services, they give you an actual Bitcoin address to use. And with that Bitcoin address, you can do exactly that on the internet. You can send it off to friends and family. You can purchase services and products via Bitcoin or some type of cryptocurrency. So PayPal does not have that available yet. Here's where things get interesting. In early 2021, PayPal will offer the ability to use your cryptocurrency to purchase products from select merchants that PayPal identifies. They're going to have over 26 million merchants around the globe available for this, but I think the caveat is that's under control of PayPal. So it still doesn't give you that Bitcoin address to do whatever you want with it. To me, I don't think right off the bat that that's really worth it. I mean, what's the point of all that? I don't know. It's just cool because it's crypto. But it makes me interested to wonder, is PayPal going to launch their own cryptocurrency? A PayPal dollar, a PayPal coin? What do you think? I want you to comment below. Do you think there is a possibility that PayPal could be launching their own cryptocurrency under their own control? I think that would be a disruptor in the market. PayPal is a bigger name, and to introduce its own currency of that nature could be very, very interesting. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. But let me take you behind the scenes here and take you through the PayPal dashboard. Now this I used the web browser on my computer for. I did not use the app. Very simple, to the point. Once you get past the waitlist, you can see right here, these are the 4 cryptocurrencies that are currently traded within PayPal. And it'll show you the estimated value of the current cryptocurrency that you're looking at, as well as the graph. Now the graph will go up and down, but you can see the trend on whatever crypto that you're looking at. And then this is pretty simple. If you look at their terms and conditions, this is once you are past the waitlist and you sign up, you're able to buy, sell, and hold, as I mentioned earlier. The value is volatile, as I mentioned earlier. And since crypto purchases and sales aren't reversible, do your research and make decisions carefully. So again, this is a very new market, and especially for PayPal. And then this is what it looks like behind the scenes. Once you are signed up for PayPal Crypto, it'll let you know how much your value is once you start purchasing. You can see all the various types of crypto that they offer. And then on the right-hand side, you can see that you can learn more about crypto. Look at this right here. Transaction fee. Look at the note. For a limited time, there's no fee to buy or sell crypto. For a limited time, guys. That means that there could be a chance that PayPal starts offering up that you need to purchase via transaction fee in order to get any cryptocurrency. That's a big thing to think about, especially if you're just doing this for the investment piece. Get something like Robinhood. I'll include the link to Robinhood down below. And by the way, if you sign up for Robinhood, you do get a free stock in the actual stock market for signing up. But I'll include that link. With Robinhood, at least I get it for free. You know, you can go into Robinhood, you can buy crypto for free. I don't invest in it, but I have put $1 or $2 just to see how it works. Did not charge me anything. Right now, PayPal doesn't, but as it mentions, for a limited time, it's a $0 transaction fee. It could be as early as 2021 in January that we see a transaction fee start to tick up. So keep that in mind. So what do you think about all the PayPal cryptocurrency hype? Is it the cause for why all of a sudden it's surging upward to $15,000 plus? Do you think this is going to become a big deal? Do you think cryptocurrency will have its own PayPal currency? And furthermore, are you getting in on this right now today? If so, comment below. Let me know your experience with PayPal or whatever other cryptocurrency provider that you prefer. I'd love to hear it down in the comments below. But other than that, to wrap this up, no, I'm not going to actually trade or put money into my PayPal for cryptocurrency. I am going to continue to invest in the stock market via ETFs and individual shares with Webull and Robinhood. I'll link them down below if you want to check out those, but that's kind of my plan and strategy of control over the next couple of years. But other than that, guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video coming to the channel. And as always, continue to live your sweet life because you're worth it. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.